I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding what dark means to you, so choose a cocoa percentage. 70% is a reliable baseline, 85% delivers stronger bitterness. Once decided, scan the store layout and head straight to specialty and international sections as well as the chocolate aisle. This saves time. Make sure to read ingredient order. Cocoa mass first indicates real dark chocolate, while sugar or vegetable oils listed first mean it's not. This step gets you to valid candidates quickly and efficiently. Now you compare candidates side by side to identify the best bar. Look at cocoa percentage, bean origin, and declared ingredients. Make sure to calculate price per 100 g to avoid overpaying for small novelty packaging. Once done, inspect packaging for terms like single origin or couverture. These usually indicate quality rather than sweetness. If you can, smell the bar for deep cocoa notes and examine the snap and gloss through the wrapper or at a deli counter. These scents finalize by selecting the freshest bar with a clear manufacturer or best by date and complete the purchase. After buying, you should store the chocolate at about 15-18 degrees C in a dark, dry place to preserve snap and aroma. Make sure to avoid the refrigerator because condensation dulls flavor. If the bar tastes too sweet, opt for a higher cocoa percentage next time or a single origin bar. If it's chalky or lacks depth, try a different bean origin or brand to troubleshoot quality issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.